The convenience of having all my sewer supplies accessible and in dedicated storage bins cannot be understated. Hey there and welcome to RV Gear and Farm. I'm Joshua, and modifying these plastic ammo cans has served me well for over 2 years of full-time RV travel. It efficiently stores my sewer elbows, caps, gloves, and sanitation equipment in the location I actually use them. The process will vary slightly from rig to rig, but essentially drilling holes into these boxes and securing them around the bumper with U-bolts gives me easy storage, which is lockable as well. On a typical day when I'm dumping my tanks or hooking up at a dump station, the only place I go is the bumper. Everything is back there and accessible, ready to use, and easy to put away wet. This setup is lightweight, and since I removed a swing-away bumper grill from my rig, I have no concerns about adding these in terms of weight to my RV bumper. If you're concerned or would like to reinforce your bumper before considering this project, take a look at these easy bolt-on brackets to help reinforce the RV bumper. It's a quick, easy, and cheap DIY modification that has proven useful time and time again. If you found value in this idea and enjoy RV tips, gear reviews, and how-tos, please consider subscribing and hit that button so we can share this awesome DIY project with other RVers. Happy trails!